Hi everyone! Welcome and welcome back. If you love bags and SLGs, designer or not, please do consider subscribing to this channel, hit on the notification bell, and together, let's enjoy these beautiful pieces. So today I'll be sharing with you this very cute bag. It is called Serena, Coach Serena, but this is not mine. I just borrowed it and I want to review it with you and also see if I wanted to buy for myself. So let's see the details. So first, let's measure. This is 21 cm by 14.5 cm by 6.5 cm. I really love the design of this one. The shape like a dome, and also this one, the handle that looks very nice on this shape. So this looks very elegant to me. And I also love that it has two zipper compartments. So one here and another one here. And on the back, it has a pocket for easy access. Cards, wallet, card holder can place in there. So now let's look at the inside. So this front pocket, this one has a black interior, doesn't have any pockets inside. So this is the first side, and on the back side, so it includes another handle. So this is the other handle, strap that you can use if you want it crossbody. On the inside of this one doesn't have any pocket. Oh, it does have one pocket, and there is the Coach logo on this leather, and that is the serial number. On the pocket has this care card. Okay, and also, so you can see it has logo on these D-rings, engraved Coach on this D-ring, same as the other side as well. Here's the engraving here, there, and also, of course, on the metal zippers. So in this strap, leather strap, so you have here the Coach logo on one side, and okay, that's another Coach logo, right? Okay, also see the logo on this one. Okay, so this is my review of this bag. I think I would love to purchase as well. I just have to save up for it. So it also has this, they always have this in their bags, like a keychain. You have the option to remove it in case you don't want to use it. So this is the Coach Serena in this light khaki signature canvas, and I really hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and remember to always thank God for these blessings. See you next time. Bye.